Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Cloudflare access to Google Search Console step by step clearly. To authorize Cloudflare access to Google Search Console, start by signing in to your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the website you wish to manage. Locate the DNS tab on the Cloudflare dashboard. Click on the DNS tab to view your DNS records. Here, make sure that your domain is properly configured with the required DNS records. Next, open a new tab and sign in to your Google Search Console account. Once logged in, select the property you want to link with Cloudflare. In the Search Console, click on the gear icon in the lower left corner. From the menu, choose Users and Permissions. In this section, click on the blue Add User button. Enter the Cloudflare email address you wish to authorize. Set the permission level to full for complete access. Click Add to finalize the authorization process. Now, return to your Cloudflare dashboard. Go to the Firewall section on the left side. Select Overview from the Firewall menu. Scroll down to the API Tokens section. Click on Create Token to start the authorization process. Choose Build Custom Token for specific permissions. In the Permissions overview, add the necessary scope for Google Search Console. Select the permissions that allow access to your website data. After configuring, give your token a recognizable name. Click Continue to Summary to review your settings. If everything looks correct, click Create Token to finish. Copy the generated API token for future use. Go back to Google Search Console. In the Users and Permissions section, look for the newly added Cloudflare user. Verify the permissions are correctly set. You have now authorized Cloudflare access to Google Search Console. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.